Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we learned a couple of months back, well, a few months back, we talked about it, where Kaspersky will cease operations in the United States. Kaspersky was a fairly popular antivirus software, and because of U.S. regulations, they cannot operate in the United States anymore. Now, some users have been a little puzzled by what's happening on their PCs lately, and apparently more and more of you, actually, all of you on Kaspersky, by the end of September should have the change. So what happens is some people have noticed that Kaspersky is gone, but it's replaced with something called UltraAV. And it's Kaspersky kind of pushing you to another antivirus that they have chosen, which is not very well known, honestly, and not really tested. It is US based, but with all sorts of little caveat, like the VPN service is from Panama, and the core of UltraAV business seems to be in India. So, anyways, lots of people are puzzled of what is this? Why is this here? And it's understandable that when a change happens without you really knowing about it, then you find it mysterious. And I'm sure that also the fact that Kaspersky is gone kind of maybe puzzles people, thinking that, is this good? What is this? And, could I have a virus? It's a weird way of, anyways, passing people to some other software. If you have had subscriptions to Kaspersky, the subscriptions will be the same price and work in the same way. But of course, you have the choice of choosing anything else that you want to choose. You don't have to absolutely use that UltraAV thing that they're pushing to you. But it's important to know that this could happen, will happen on Kaspersky machines. So don't be too surprised when you see that something has changed and Kaspersky's gone, as it has to be by the end of the year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.